Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the heal function on the Facetune application, meaning that you can wipe over wrinkles and remove them from your selfies on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your phone, and after that go to this gallery section that you can see in the middle of the screen and tap on a relevant photo that you would like to edit. So click on it, and after that tap on the second button down below, which is the retouch button. Here you can see all of the functions that you can use, so tap on the second one, heal. And after that you should zoom in for a better result and wipe over the wrinkles. As you can see that they have disappeared, so that's how you can remove them. Just simply wipe over those, and if you zoom out you can see that you have completely removed the wrinkles and any imperfections from your skin or from your face. If you are done with it, click on the check mark icon down below, thereby saving your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.